What's going on? Let's speak to our India business correspondent, Archana Shukla, who joins us now from Mumbai. Archana, good to see you. Just to explain the background of what's going on here, we've tried to outline it there. This is a row between an American research firm and this Indian conglomerate, and it seems at the moment no one's happy.
Absolutely, and amidst all the series of rebuttals from Hindenburg Group and the Adani Group, the tussle has only intensified. It all started when last week Hindenburg research report, which is a short seller, meaning these are investors that bet on a company's stock to fall and they benefit from that fall. They came out with a research report where they alleged wide-ranging allegations from stock market manipulations to use of tax havens as well as over-leveraged companies. The company in the research report said that they are betting a 85% downside to Adani Group's market valuations, and they say that it's sky high as compared to the peers, and that all of the gains that they have made, the meteoric rise in the share price, have only been in the last 3 years based on the share price rise. Some of the stocks of the Adani Group, they say, have risen by 800 to even 2,000% in just 3 years' time, and this cannot be based on fundamentals. That has been some of the key concerns that they've raised, and not to mention that Adani Group came out with a 413-page rebuttal denying these allegations aggressively and calling the research report malified.
Yeah, Adani Group denying all of those allegations, but it hasn't been enough to stop that fall in its share price, has it?
Absolutely not. The investors have been very wary, Ben. And, like you pointed out, in the last 3 market trading sessions, the company has lost nearly $70 billion of market capitalization. It is 1/3 of the total market cap of the group that they have lost. Even Gautam Adani, who was the coveted position of world's 3rd richest man, has lost about $30 billion of his personal wealth and has slipped to being the 7th richest on the Bloomberg's Billionaires Index. So a lot of money has been lost, and all the rebuttals that the company came out with, they were in a damage control mode even on Monday, but all of that did not help to arrest the further erosion of market cap in the company. Even larger shareholders like Life Insurance Corporation of India that hold a substantial stake in company's group shares have come out and said that they would need some more discussion with the company. Bondholders have also raised questions, and some of the global investors are also raising questions on the Hindenburg research report and the rebuttal that Adani Group has come out with. So a lot of money certainly lost in of the investors.
And briefly, Archana, this is interestingly being framed in some quarters as not only an attack on the Adani Group, but an attack on Indian companies as a whole.
Yes, this was an interesting turn where Adani, in its 413-page rebuttal, called it, an attack on India, its growth, and the Indian institutions as well. They called it an attack on the judiciary and the regulators as well. Now, that's interesting because most of the times in the past, Adani Group, especially Gautam Adani, has been under scrutiny for his proximity to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Both of them hail from the same western state of Gujarat, and there have been allegations in the past that the company has benefited from the close ties. It's an allegation that Gautam Adani has refuted in certain select media interviews. But this issue has brought to fore concerns on corporate governance, and opposition parties are also calling out, political opposition is also calling out for an audit of the company and a response from the government as well. So this certainly will have implications, both financial as well as political.
Yeah, keep an eye on that for us, Archana, as I'm sure you will. Thank you, though, for now. Live there from Mumbai. Let's